What if you could build a complete healthcare platform in weeks, not months? Meet Specode, the AI-powered development platform that transforms how healthcare apps are built. Start with a complete healthcare foundation. Everything's pre-built and HIPAA compliant. Video consultations, electronic medical records, appointment scheduling, secure messaging, even e-commerce for healthcare products, all connected and ready to customize. Here's the magic. Just describe what you want in plain English. Watch as Specode instantly customizes your platform. Remove what you don't need, modify existing features, or create entirely new ones, all through simple conversations with AI. Need something more complex? No problem. Build advanced features like automated reminders, custom workflows, or patient tracking, all without writing code. Specode handles the technical implementation while you focus on your vision. Connect your database, enable video calls, and process payments, or any additional integrations with just a few clicks. Ready to publish? Your Specode team will deploy and launch your app for you. Stop spending months on development. Whether you're launching a telehealth startup, modernizing your practice, or building the next healthcare innovation, Specode gets you there faster.